Kevin, in trucking and tractor-trailer litigation, how are some of the ways that the company that owns or operates the truck or tractor-trailer, how are they proven to be careless or negligent?
Well, trucking cases are very complex. The driver is certainly responsible for his or her behaviors behind the wheel and the injuries that they cause, and trucking accidents typically involve a very high level type of injury with severe damage. But the trucking companies have obligations under the law to perform certain measures in order to increase the safety of their truck and their driver. They need to do appropriate background checks of the driver. They need to have certain training programs in place. They need to monitor the loads and exactly the weight and what goes on the trucks. And they need to follow specific safety regulations. And many times those regulations are not followed, and that adds another dimension of liability in those cases.
Thank you, Kevin.